Market page keeps us updated on the daily basis and contains mostly end of day data from the market, or more precisely the market overview about the day. Key features of the market page are market barometer. It is a place which tells us about the market sentiment. Top emoji performance shows the performance of the day, week, month and year as per the emoji score. Then we have the Indian anti-sectorial indices which tells us about their closing points and percentage change from previous day. Then we have the top gainers and losers of the day, week, month, 1 year and 2 year. Contribution to index tells us about the stock contribution responsible for change in the Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty especially. News section keeps us updated with the latest news about the company. We also have the heat map for Indian indices which gives a better idea of the current scenario. Result corner notifies us about upcoming results. Deals gives us information about bulk and block deals that took place on a particular day. Upper and lower circuits are updated at the end of the trading session. Event calendar provides information about the events that will be taking place around the globe. FII and DII cash activity is place where you find the investing and divesting activity of FIIs and DIIs. Circular announcements keeps you updated with the latest announcements from all the companies. Result page will give you in-depth analysis of current and upcoming results of all public companies in detail along with comparison from previous quarter and year results. In result calendar, here you get details about the results to be announced on the current day along with certain other details. Earnings stat categorizes the announced results as best performers, worst performers, positive turnarounds and negative turnarounds based on sales, profit and operating profit of company. Price suppress tells us about the price action on the day of result and its effects from the date of result until the result for next quarter is announced. Result scanner categorizes the results into positive, negative and neutral results and shows them accordingly. Earning emoji is categorized into two parts: Emoji World and Emoji Trend. Emoji World keeps the record emoji score and its bifurcation of fundamental and technical scores of all companies. Emoji Trend shows the change in emoji fundamentals and technical score for quarter and year on year basis. We will let you know about what should be done about your current position in the following stock. With in-depth analysis done by our emoji team, we have developed a score method which is calculated for every company based on various fundamental and technical parameters. Based on fundamental trends in the financials of the company, we have designed strengths and weakness statements for the company. We keep you up to date with the latest news and results of the company. We provide insider data like shareholding data represented in the form of pie chart for better understanding. We provide peer comparison using parameters like price, market cap, PEG ratio, sales data, etc. Price data based return analysis of 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years in the form of line graph which helps you to understand the trends. We have provided 10 years of balance sheet, P&L data, cash flow data, ratio data and also revenue generated product wise and geography wise with trend analysis, and also one can see this data in graphical form and compare the same with other parameters as well. General information about a company along with current and past annual reports is also provided so that one can know the company inside out. Optimizer. When you click Optimizer, here you have to first log in. So you can log in through your broker if your broker is registered with us, and if your broker is not registered with us, you can manually create your portfolio and further proceed. You can create portfolio by manually adding one by one stocks or through CSV file or through CAS. You have to save the portfolio to proceed further. Once you save, you can see you have options to optimize your portfolio for short term and for long term. You can select any option according to your investment objective. Now select the stocks you want to optimize and click on submit. Here you can see current portfolio score, recommended portfolio score. After optimizing, you can see the required changes in the portfolio, which are stocks to hold, stocks to sell, stocks to buy, stocks to decrease and stocks to increase the holding from your portfolio. Also, sector-wise composition of the portfolios, market cap-wise weightage of the portfolio, portfolio summary and stats and return of the portfolio. You can add the portfolio to the track list and start tracking the portfolio. Let us start to explore the product. Firstly, when you open the page of Stock Help, you can see here you have option to search stocks for the long term or for the short term. Long term and short term means the time horizon for which you want to invest in stocks. You can search the stock by its name, NSE or BSE code, or by ISIN of the company. Let us try by searching some stocks. Suppose you have searched the stock for short term, say HDFC. So now let us see the recommendation. So as per our product, you can go ahead and invest in the stock. Now let us search the same stock HDFC for long term and check the recommendations for the same. So the recommendation for the long term is invest as well. To get a better idea, so let's search another stock, say ITC. So we can see that we don't have a recommendation in this stock as of now. Further, if you add any stock to the track list, you can get the notification of its entry and exit. And also here you can see the invested value, return, mark to market of all the track stocks. If you click on details of any stock, you can see the whole graph from the day you started tracking till the day you make an exit from the stock. Scanner helps you find companies as per the user-entered queries using various parameters and conditions. The home page for Scanner starts with Create Scanner, where the user can enter his queries and find companies that satisfy his condition. The other sections of Scanner are Popular Scanner and Saved Scanner. Stockbox. It is a box of stocks. We have three main options in Stockbox, which are Emoji Stockbox, My Portfolio, and Create Portfolio. For now, we will be talking about Emoji Stockbox. It is a stock box that is created by our emoji team. Here you can find stock boxes that are based on different themes. Let us open Healthy Bharat scheme and take a look. The stock selection in this portfolio is on the basis of emoji algorithm from a well-managed companies of pharma sector. You can buy stock box for long term, short term, and also you can start SIP of required amount. SIP can be weekly, monthly, or fortnightly. Here is the following details of the portfolio. It contains the portfolio score, return analysis, portfolio composition, weightage, market bifurcation, and portfolio summary, and states where you can see standard deviation, beta, Sharpe ratio, etc. When you invest in a stock box, it will automatically go to the track list where you can see current value, total investment, retail, tin down, and MTM, that is mark to market. When you click details, you can see written analysis and other things. Also here, you can see what's in and what's out option, if any available, whose notification is available at above bell icon. Now coming on to my portfolio option, the stock box that are created by you, shared with you, bought in stock box and in kept in wishlist are seen in my portfolio. Your option to create and share the portfolio made by you just by adding the ID of that person, and also here you can directly invest in a portfolio that are shared with you by others. Now talking about other part of the stock box, which is create portfolio. In create portfolio, you can create portfolio with any name. If you choose to take portfolio public, you can share that portfolio to anybody. If you make private portfolio, then you can't share it with anybody and it will be seen only by you. We have three options to make portfolio based on that, which are custom weighted, equi-weighted, and market cap weighted. Also, you have options to choose your portfolio objective, whether it is long term or short term. Just like the optimizer, here also you can create your portfolio by adding stocks or export your file in form of CSV or Excel, and then the stocks will be added automatically.